In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Calendar data efficiently. Whether you need to back up your events or transfer them to another platform, exporting your calendar can save you effort and time in organizing your schedule. First things first, make sure you're accessing Google Calendar from your computer. You won't be able to export calendars from the mobile app, so it's important to use your desktop or laptop for this process. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner and spot the familiar gear icon. This is your settings menu. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with various configuration options for your calendars. On the left side of the page, you'll see a navigation menu. Find the option that says Import and Export, and click on that. Within this section, you'll find the tools you need to either back up all your calendars or choose just one. Let's explore both options. If you want to download all the calendars you own, look for the section titled Export. Here, simply click on the Export button. This action will download a zip file containing .ics files for each of your calendars. These .ics files are standard calendar file formats that can be used in other applications or kept as a backup for your records. However, if you're only looking to export a single calendar, there's an easy way to do just that. Head back to the main menu, and under My Calendars on the left panel, find the specific calendar you're interested in exporting. Hover your cursor over the calendar's name until you see three little dots appear to the right. Click on those dots, which will reveal a menu, and select Settings and Sharing. Scroll to find the Export Calendar option and click on it. This will begin the download of either a zip or an .ics file, depending on how the calendar is structured. After downloading, if you've received a zip file, you'll need to unzip it to access the individual .ics files. Most modern operating systems allow you to do this simply by double-clicking the zip file, or you can use specific software if needed. Now you can store these .ics files on your computer or import them into another calendar service at your convenience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently export your Google Calendar events and keep your scheduling information backed up and portable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips.